Look, chances are you're probably looking online on how to make money. And if you're anything like me, you're looking for passive income, having your money work for you so you can, go take a cat nap or whatever you like to do. What I'm going to be talking about in this video is Walmart automation. You probably heard about Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Etsy. There's plenty of opportunities to make money online. But I'm talking about automation. I'm talking about getting into a business that's actually built for you. You can think of it like a franchise opportunity or maybe real estate, right? You buy a multifamily unit and then from there you have a company that manages it for you. This opportunity is fairly new. Walmart opened its doors to the massive marketplace of third-party sellers about a year and a half ago from when I'm making this video. Now, what does that mean for you? It means it's a ground floor opportunity. It's an opportunity where you can be one of the first people that started and take advantage of it. Kind of like, imagine if you got into Amazon about 2011, 2012 timeframe. Those people are still making millions of dollars. By any means, now, I'm never promising you millions of dollars. I'm not promising you anything. This is a business, but the only thing that I can do is show you results. We have over 150 stores under management currently just on the Walmart side, and we're scaling extremely fast. With this opportunity, we're noticing extremely fast scaling stores, as I'll be showing you throughout this video as well. But what's more important is we can show you these results live. Now, if you're still watching this video, one thing, go ahead and click subscribe somewhere around here and drop a like on this video. It really helps me out. But two, what's required from you? Well, you're a capital partner. You buy in and you have working capital, and then from there we utilize that working capital to build you a massively successful business. It doesn't happen overnight. It does take a few months to get everything going and to start making money, but it's a lot faster than getting into like a McDonald's franchise or getting into real estate where it takes years and years to even make any money. Now, that being said, is this the right opportunity for you? And also, will you qualify to work with us? The current clients that we have are fairly liquid and have access to credit lines or good credit, so we can get you access to credit lines. Those are the type of clients that we're looking for to partner up with. Why do we do this? Well, same reason why any business out there looks for investors, looks for partnerships, because it allows you to expand and get bigger and bigger. So while we get bigger, we're making you more and more money. What's in it for you? Well, the passive income aspect. We're not going to teach you how to do this. We're not going to show you how to do this. We're literally going to do it for you. The only thing you're going to be doing is in the beginning, there's a few steps you need to take to get everything set up. We'll help you through that. And then from there, once your store is up and live and selling, all you got to do is make sure you're paying off your credit card and also monitoring your cash flow. Other than that, that's all you have to do. So if this is something that you'd be interested in and taking advantage of, go ahead and click the link somewhere around this video, submit an application, and then book a call with one of my team members to get all of your questions answered. I'll see you on the inside.